from Jammu and Kashmir. An accidental explosion occurred inside the Naugam police station in the outskirts of Kashmir late on Friday night. This has left at least 9 people dead and 28 injured, most of them policemen and forensic officials. Eyewitnesses and CCTV clips, in fact, from the area show blast ripping through the station and smoke and flames shooting into the air. We're getting you visuals showing you how the sequence of the events took place. In fact, now this explosion occurred while officials were extracting samples from a large cache of explosives which were recently seized in connection with the Delhi terror blast. Several vehicles parked on the police station premises also caught fire, and the impact of the blast was felt in the entire area. Now, this material, part of the 360 kilograms of explosives recently recovered from the rented residence of arrested Dr. Muzammil Shakil, was being sampled, in fact, as a part of the ongoing investigation. And this is when the blast occurred while personnel were handling the explosives material seized from Faridabad. It was getting sealed in the presence of the magistrate. Now, we are given to understand that several of those injured are in critical condition. Rescuers are still searching for the debris and for those who are reported missing at this point. Security forces along with sniffer dogs, they have arrived at the site. They are carrying out the investigation where the blast occurred. In fact, earlier the Deputy Commissioner of Srinagar, Akshay Labru, he also went to the hospital to meet with the victims who have been injured in this accidental blast. Jammu and Kashmir DGP Nalin Prabhat also visited the area near Naugam police station. This is where exactly the blast occurred. In fact, visuals on your screen showing you the aftermath as well as the visual and the footage from the site where the blast occurred. Unfortunately, at least 9 people have lost their lives, most of them policemen and forensic officials who were present on the site. Remember, it's an accidental blast and this happened while the explosives which were recently seized, they were being sampled in the presence of the magistrate. Now, here's a ground report by my colleague Mehraj, in fact, on the aftermath of the blast and how the security has now been ramped up in the area.
अभी भी श्रीनगर के बाहरी क्षेत्र नौगाम है और आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ से कुछ ही दूरी पर जो है पुलिस स्टेशन है और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि किस तरीके से पुलिस ने अब इस रास्ते को बिल्कुल सील कर दिया है और यहाँ से आगे जाने की जो है अनुमति एहतियात के तौर पर नहीं दी जा रही है। बता दें आपको कि अभी जो है आहिस्ता आहिस्ता अब पुलिस के आला अधिकारी जो है वो अब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता यहाँ पे पहुँच रहे हैं। आप देख सकते हैं कि किस तरीके से इस पूरे इलाके को जो है सिक्योर करने की कोशिश कहीं ना कहीं जो है जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस द्वारा की जा रही है। और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि बिल्कुल यही इलाका है, यही रास्ता है जो अंदर पुलिस स्टेशन को जाता है और यहाँ पे अब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता पुलिस के जो है वरिष्ठ अधिकारी पहुंचना शुरू हो गए हैं। कहीं ना कहीं एक बड़ी घटना जो है कल रात को 11:22 के बाद जो है यहाँ देखने को मिली कि जब FSL की टीम, SI की टीम और बाकी अन्य टीम जो कहा जा सकता है कि प्रशासनिक टीम भी इसमें एक शामिल थी, जो लोग कहा जा सकता है कि FSL जो है वो सैम्पलिंग करवा रहे थे उस मटेरियल की, जो IED मेकिंग मटेरियल था जो फरीदाबाद से कहीं ना कहीं जो है डॉक्टर मुज़म्मिल के खुलासे के बाद जो है वो बरामद किया गया था। और यहाँ पे अभी भी जो घायल है उनको जो है यहाँ नज़दीकी हॉस्पिटल में जो है ले जाया गया है। लेकिन कुल मिलाकर कहें तो अब पुलिस की पहली प्राथमिकता है कि जो एरिया है उसको जो है बिल्कुल जो है सिक्योर किया जाए और उसके चलते कहा जा सकता है अब इस पूरे इलाके को जो है आहिस्ता आहिस्ता सील किया जा रहा है। और इसमें हालांकि जो सिविलियन मूवमेंट है उसको कम करने की हिदायत दी गई है, वहीं पे कोशिश की जा रही है कि अगर स्ट्रे मटेरियल आसपास विस्फोट के बाद पहुंचा होगा उसको भी जो है प्रोक्योर किया जाए, उसको भी जो है जितना जल्दी होगा कुछ हानि पहुंचाने से पहले अपनी तहवील में लिया जाए। पुलिस ने पहले ही जो है स्पष्ट किया है कि कोई आतंकी हमला नहीं था। एफएसएल की टीम जो है वो सैंपलिंग कर रही थी, उसके बीच में जो है ये जो है ट्रिग हुआ ब्लास्ट और उसके बाद से ब्लास्ट हुआ और पुलिस स्टेशन का एक हिस्सा जो है वो कहीं ना कहीं इस चपेट में आ गया, जिसमें पुलिसकर्मी जो थे उस टाइम ड्यूटी पे थे, तो कहा जा सकता है कि वो घायल हुए और उनको यहाँ पे तुरंत जो है हॉस्पिटल पहुँचाया गया।
So that's the latest we're getting in on the blast that occurred in Jammu and Kashmir. It was an accidental explosion. It took place inside the Nowgam police station and unfortunately has left at least 9 people dead and 28 injured. Now, most of them who are injured are also in critical condition, unfortunately, and they include policemen and forensic officials. Now, we are given to understand that the explosion occurred when officials were extracting samples from a large cache of explosives which was recently seized in connection with the Delhi terror blast. In fact, the impact of this explosion was significant. Several vehicles which were parked on the police station premises, they also caught fire. The impact, in fact, of the blast was felt in the entire area. Now, viewers, this material, which was part of the 360 kilograms of explosives recovered from the rented residence of terrorist Muzammil Shakil, was being sampled as part of the investigation, which is when the blast took place. Personnel were just handling the explosive material while it was getting sealed in the presence of the magistrate, and the accidental explosion unfortunately took place at that time. Now, several of the wounded are in critical condition and rescuers are still searching the debris for those reported missing. Earlier, the Deputy Commissioner of Srinagar, Akshay Labru, also went to the hospital to meet with those who are injured.